How to change or add a zone in Just Eat.
Hello everyone, if you work as a driver or rider with Just Eat and you want to change your delivery zone or add a new city, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, in a very easy way. Watch the video till the end. Step 1. Open the app and log in first. Open the Just Eat Courier app on your phone. Log in with your email and password. Once you're in, give the app a moment to load properly. Step 2. Change or add your delivery zone. Now, go to the Help Center inside the app. This is where Just Eat puts all driver support options. Tap on Update Delivery Zone. After tapping this option, you will be taken to a page called Changing My Delivery Zone. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. At the bottom, tap Zone Change page. You will now open the Delivery Zone Change request form. Here, enter your email address. Choose the new city or delivery zone you want to work in. Choose or select one option that best matches your reason. After checking everything, tap Submit. That's it. Your request is sent to Just Eat. Step 3. Wait for approval. Now you just need to wait. Just Eat will review your request. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours. Once it's approved, your new zone will be active and you can start working there. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.